Welcome back, my loyal supporters them. Yes, so this bathroom, as you can see the finish. Yes, the owner gave us the tile. Same one, this bathroom for tile. Didn't tell us how he wanted to, but he said just give us something nice. So what we did is take the tile, look at the bathroom. The only thing he didn't want is a bathroom that tile right through. So here we are now. Yeah, so go through design, we put in the niche and everything and give him a nice design. So I'm gonna show you right now how this thing all started from scratch to finish. Yes, my people, welcome back. So right, and we have a bathroom. And ceiling is that 10-foot ceiling. So we can also start up on some tile. So it's about 4-foot long. Start. So we have the floor for tile, electric tile, shower. So we're gonna people. So we go on to some working idea. Yeah? Alright. My people so seated now. So we reach to the bathroom. So this is how we're doing on pan leather. So as I said, the ceiling is a 10-foot ceiling. So yeah, we have a couple pieces dropping in on the back. So as you can see. Yeah, some niche drop in. Round this so kind of one dry part the pan here hold it. Yes, my people, so as I said, this is how we're there now. Yeah, so we have to hold up piece of tile to drop in. Yeah. So we have the floor for the same way, the legend of tile here. So we have the ledge. We have the floor. So no water around here, sir. Yeah, so that I use on the floor. So this I use on the ledge same way. So the floor. As you can see, what you put in the trim. So we'll do the 4-foot round so far.
bathroom, man. Just nice, when you see some nice things, you say that there's you have to listen to yourself. But,
upscale. Yeah, so that's how we have to drop in this one now. And then put a piece of tile and left. So as I say, niche fitting, mosaic inside. So alright my people, so right now we'll line up the floor. We'll put on the leg same time. So the wall basically finish. Yeah. As I said, the wall done. Yeah, so this side now. All tile go up on the wall. Right to ceiling. So I'm saying them ceiling is a 10-foot ceiling. So this are the niche. So the glass mosaic is inside our niche. Yeah. So what basically I do now line up the floor. So if we can line up the floor now. The shower home thing where I go left. You know. That's the last thing I go do. So as I said, the wall basically finished, just some growth in now. So, you know, this is how we're there on now here. So, I'm going to try just line up the floor, put on the ledge. Yeah, so we're good. Then I just turn them one way more. Alright, my people, so. Right, and on the floor done. Yeah. So as you can see. So the only thing left now this now is the shower. Reason why the shower them not tile yet, because them have the shower tile. So we can't cast the floor now, that's how we know height to cast it too. So that's our next thing. So basically this bathroom is complete right now, just leave the ground. Yeah, so every tile drop in. So in the shower go right up the ceiling. Yeah, and as we say, it's a 10-foot ceiling. So you don't know let off the boat, eh? So as I said, the only thing we need now was just some grouting, you know, get some grouting done. But the wall basically finished. Just dropping in the floor. Yeah, so I'm gonna set the floor finish now. So most my people remember to like, share and subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Something said. Insect.
No, I think it's no right now. This is a network.
Yeah, so as I said, the main thing left now is some grouting. Alright, my people. Yeah, some nice 24 by 24 piece lamp on the wall. Yeah. Alright, so this bathroom is done and ground up. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, the shower head are one of the broad ones, so them kind of cover it up, painting a go on, and you know, things still are going work, still are going at the place. Yeah, so how can I say, ground up. Yeah, so that's the niche, some glass tile. Yeah, so you know, come down and come focus on. Yeah, so all of the pieces drop in beside of the door. So this is the next step. We have to show them the cast up. So yeah, we're gonna start cast up the show them. Yeah, that's the can tile the bottom and finish with the bathroom. So as you can see, cabinet and everything start go up. Floating cabinet. You tile it up. Yeah, it's a bathroom nice. So as I say, all of the tile I'm drop in behind the door. Yeah. So the next step I want to say is to get the shower out of the way and now cast it up so waterproof it. Yeah, so have the shower to get out of the way. Alright, my people, so what we do with this now? Cast up the shower. So, this is a bathroom, we don't grow it up already. So I just cast up the shower here now. Get the shower in. So once the shower tile drop in, you know, so the bathroom done. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm kind of plastic up them fixture shower head and thing. Yeah. Yeah, so as I said, them bathroom I grow up. All tile drop in. You know, say a 4 foot round. So this now is just the shower left to drop in, right, you know. So once the shower drop in, everything finished. As you can see, cabinet I put up. Yeah, see a light there. Yeah, tile it drop in and everything. So yes, my people, so you know, say this is another brilliant job. A nice bathroom. Yeah, niche. Yeah, with some glass tile inside. Yeah, so I just get the shower drop in now. You know, and this bathroom complete. So yes, my people, remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. You know, show your appreciation by just giving the video a thumbs up. Yeah, man. Tell me what you think about the job then. You know. Alright. So as I said, I'm kind of cover up them fixtures. You know, the facet them. You know, if I work still a go on. So, you know, them I try to avoid them things from get damaged. So, as you can see, things are going. Yeah. Alright, my people, so right and on this bathroom finish. Yeah. Tiling, growth, and everything complete night. Yes, so as you can see, this was straight to ceiling. So tile growth. Yeah, so this is over the shower 4 feet round. Yeah, so right along the shower drop in and growth up. So this is the shower. Drop in the shower, growth it. So as I say, everything basically finished now. Yeah, tile it go up. Cabinet go up. So floor and everything done.
So the shower, the last thing we do, as you can see. So as I say, everything basically finished in this bathroom right now. Yeah, what them do, them kind of protect the fixtures them same way, because true work still a go on in here. Our part of the work finish. Yeah, but some sanding still a do. Them mud out some place and you know, it have to get rubbed down back sanding. So yeah, so cancel the facet cover up. And basically cover all of them, yeah. Shower head, everything plastic up. So as I said, through little work still a go on. You know, them don't want them things to get messed up. So yeah, once again, as I said, the bathroom complete now. So you know, our part finish. Yes, and I want to say thanks to all of the supporters them same way. Big up on yourself every time. All of the supporters them. The people who want to support the thing from day one. Yeah, and all of the upcoming supporters them same way, you know, want to send enough respect. Yeah, just show your appreciation by give the video a thumbs up each time. Yeah, like, share and subscribe. You know, help the channel to grow. Yeah man, we always try to push out some nice work, you know. Yeah. So you know, when people as the work them come along, that's how we shove them out. Yeah, so yeah, this is a nice shower, nice bathroom, as you can see. Yes, my people. So I want to say thanks again and enough respect. Alright.